So making sure that you price your products the proper way is truly how you're going to earn a profit after you sell your print-on-demand products with Etsy. And there are a ton of things you can actually sell on Printify, but in today's video, I'm sharing with you products you can sell and what is going to be the profit after you utilize my strategy for you to earn more profit in the long run. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here, my name is Jay, and if you like content like this where I walk you step by step of how to sell print-on-demand products with Etsy, then make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. So Printify was so kind to give my audience a discount code to utilize their premium version for 30 days free. That means you're able to save a couple dollars every time you actually sell a product. And again, the more dollars you're able to save, the more profit you can earn in the long run, which I will share with you in this video how significant that is. Now, if you want to check out Printify premium version on your own, there's a discount code in my description box below for you to test this out and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. All right, so the main tool that we're going to use, obviously, to sell our print-on-demand products is Printify. However, I see some people in the comments of my videos where they say that they can only get like $1 or $2 for their profit after they get done selling. And there's something wrong with your pricing that I definitely want to help you with, because again, your goal should be to earn 25 to 30% profit margin. And so there's definitely a pricing problem that you're having, and I want to help you with that so you can price your products the right way so you can earn a profit, because that's exactly why we're selling products online. And so the first product that we're going to take a look at today is going to be t-shirts. This is obviously one of the main things I talk about selling on my particular Etsy channel, because again, this is probably the most easiest way people can see themselves selling products online, and it's very easy for you to get started, find mock-ups and all those things for you to actually sell. Now, the reason why we're talking about pricing and where I oftentimes talk about getting the Printify premium version, because automatically you see here that the price for this shirt without utilizing Printify premium is $9.96, just the bare bottom of the overall print providers that we have for the Bella & Canvas 3001 series. However, if you know that if I'm utilizing Printify premium, I get that particular product, again, lowest cost at $8.32. So again, this is just giving us the lowest cost of the print providers that we have. But just looking at these numbers alone, again, we're saving a little bit more than $1 for these products. Now, that may not seem like a huge thing to you, but again, as you're selling multiple products, then you know that accumulate over time and actually give you more profit in the long run. So again, anywhere where you can save a couple of dollars is always encouraging, I say, especially if you really want to earn a profit in the long run and really create a long-lasting business. So when we're thinking about selling our products on Etsy, two things we need to take into account when we're utilizing a platform like Printify. Number one, we need to take into account how much it's going to actually cost me for the product itself. And number two, how much will I be charged for shipping? So for example, today with Monster Digital, if you are not utilizing the premium version with Printify, then the standard cost for a t-shirt is $10.93. Now, obviously the price is going to increase, based upon, how large the shirt is. But again, just for a base, price that we have, the cost is $10.93. And the shipping is $4.75. So obviously we have to add these things together to get our overall total of how much our t-shirt is going to cost. Again, this is what we need to charge, and really far above this to the customer, so that we don't have a negative in our business. Now, we're going to talk about Etsy fees a little bit later, but just talking about how much it's going to cost for the product to get into the hands of my customer. From Printify side, we take upon ourselves the price of the product and the shipping cost of the product, and combine those two things together to get our overall expense cost in regards to Printify. Now, we can go into the more details option here, and you can see just the overall price of the t-shirts in general, and again, how much it will cost you per color, for each color. And again, we have the basic, price for all color t-shirts utilizing Monster Digital. Some people are different, so you definitely want to go here and actually figure out, okay, what is the price of every t-shirt? If you are, going to sell multiple colors t-shirts, I like to keep my t-shirt colors to a minimum, but again, that's up to you, up to your leisure. Now, again, the price does change, as you see here, based upon the size of the t-shirt. And so this is where we're going to, change some of our listing price in regards to what we offer our customer. We don't want to have the same price for our small product and our 3X product, because obviously Printify is going to charge us more. So as you see here, we are going from $11.19 for our small color here, and we're going from $15.86 to our largest product here. And again, as you go here, we just pull up a different color that I know is very popular, obviously, is black. And again, you see we have this price here, $11.19, not too far off from what we saw. And of course, $15.86 here for the 3X. Now, again, what you see highlighted in green is what you get the shirts when you are under the Printify premium plan, which again, if you want to check that out on your own, I have a discount for you down below where you're able to get this for 30 days totally free. So again, you can actually list your products and actually get some sales and save some money. And again, this is what I use for just my business in general. So again, if you are utilizing premium version, then of course you would have these numbers to go by. So we will need to change the price of our larger t-shirts to reflect what we will be charged from Printify when we ship this out to our customer. So again, the shipping will not change here just because we're selling a different size t-shirt. However, the shipping will change based upon that we're actually shipping out, more than one product to our customers. So we definitely want to look at this graph here and see what Printify does, and also make sure we reflect the price change in Etsy so that we can actually keep our profit and not be charged because someone is buying multiple products. So let's take this t-shirt as an example here to see what people are actually charging for a shirt. So we sometimes see an extremely low price here, and I know you may look at this and say, how can they actually make profit if they're selling a t-shirt for $10.78? Well, this is where you have to go into the listing, and you will see that the t-shirts they're selling does not cost $10.78. If anything, we see the small being charged $15.68. Again, extra large $17.08. And again, we see all these price changes here, even in regards to other different products they are selling. So when you see this, don't get discouraged to say, well, I can't compete with them because they're selling a shirt for $10. Usually what people do is they have a low display price where they try to get a click of the customer, and then hopefully they can actually have them purchase something once they see that the price has changed, but they're already kind of invested in the product because they clicked on it. So again, don't be concerned about the price you see because that's really not reflective of what the product cost really is. So as we see here, if we just find a medium shirt, and then we go to the shirt black, then you will see that it is, charging us $15.68. And if you go down a little bit further here, they're charging $4.20 for shipping. So what we can gather from this is that they're charging $19.88 for their total cost of their t-shirt. That means they're taking into account what they're charging for shipping as well as for the product. Now, you may look at this and say, well, that's still kind of low because we definitely want to hit above $20 to actually earn some good profit. Well, that's all taken into account if they are selling the Bella and Canvas t-shirt. Again, looking at this size chart here, I don't see anything necessarily indicating that the t-shirts they are offering is actually Bella and Canvas. That means that they could be selling a t-shirt that's not even a Bella and Canvas t-shirt, thus, being extremely, easier in regards to cost, because again, the Bella and Canvas starts at $9.96. However, you can see here that the Gilding 5000 shirt start off at $7. And if you're using Printify, the shirt is less than $6. So just because you see these low prices does not necessarily mean they're selling the highest quality shirt. They may be selling something that's not the best quality, and they're getting it for an extremely discounted price, and therefore they're able to sell a product for under $20 and still actually get pretty good profit. But what I have learned and what my customers enjoy is obviously the Bella and Canvas, and therefore I price my products a little bit higher than $19, $20 so that I can gain a profit in return. All right, so with that being said, I know that I want to sell a Bella and Canvas t-shirt. We just identified that the Bella and Canvas t-shirt, as I go back here, is going to cost us, let's just say for a black t-shirt, $11.19 plus the shipping cost, which is $4.75. So the total cost of this t-shirt for me to send out to my customer just on Printify side alone is going to be $15.94. Again, that's not utilizing premium version from Printify. If we were to use that, then they'll drop the price down to like $14.09 or something like that. So let's plug in this price here, and then we're going to see if we can actually earn some profit from this. So we know our entire cost for our customer is going to be $24.98. Again, that's taking into account $17.99 for the listing price, and again, $6.99 for the shipping price. So we have $24.98, and the cost of our product without utilizing Printify Premium is $15.94. When I calculate this, it's going to take into account all the Etsy fees, the transactions, the listing fees, the processing fees, and it's going to give me a number that I can earn. And the number that I have here is $6.22. So essentially, if I'm not running any ads, I'm earning about $6.22 per product. Again, that gives me about a 25% profit margin. But remember, I said that every dollar counts. So right now we're sitting at $6.22. However, if I'm utilizing Printify Premium, which I know they charge me $14.09, I can calculate this. And even though the number may not be extremely crazy, as you can see here, it brought our profit up very high, where we're earning about $8.07 per product. And again, we increase our profit margin to be about 32%, allow us to be able to run ads and still be profitable in the long run in regards to what we are selling on Etsy. So let's say if we are not selling t-shirts and we want to sell mugs. Well, we will go in here, and one of the popular mugs that's being sold right now is the two-tone coffee mug, 15 ounce. And again, as I go back here, you see the options that we have, just only one person district photos. And again, we see the cost of the product here. But again, if we are utilizing Printify Premium, we can get this product for $5.63. And again, they're charging us $8.79 per shipping. Again, we can go in here and see if there are any price changes in regards to colors being offered, but there is not. So we know this is going to be the standard price, over any colors we sell that are 15 ounce mugs. So again, we definitely want to put these two numbers together because this is going to be the cost of our product. So we can head back over to our profit calculator, and then we know that the total cost of our product is going to be $16.10. So we definitely wanted to make sure that whatever we're selling our coffee mugs for, it needs to be above the cost of our product so that we can actually earn a profit. All right, so here is our example product we have in front of us here. We see this 15 ounce mug is being sold for $23.73. And again, this is the 15 ounce two-tone color mug, and we have the color black here. And we can scroll all the way down to the bottom and see, okay, what are they charging for shipping? So again, we have $23.73. And we definitely want to take into account the shipping costs here, which is $5.14. So being that we took into account the cost of the product on Printify side, which is $16.10, and what this specific shop is selling their product for, which is $28.87. Again, take into account what the listing fee is and what they're charging for shipping. We can calculate our numbers here. And again, we can see that they're earning about $9.58 for their product. And again, they have about a 33% profit margin. And again, you definitely want to aim for 33% or 30%, somewhere close to that, because you definitely want to run ads, or at least my strategy is for you to run ads. And so again, we know that this number will be taken from this large percentage here. But again, $9.58 every time a mug is being sold. And obviously we found that mug to be a bestseller, which means that people are actually purchasing this product. Now, in regards to how we dress up our total price, again, we can be price heavy in regards to our listing, where we're charging, again, $23 and some change, or we can put some of that price into our shipping to be more enticing with our product. So I have seen people, charge $17.99 for the price of their product. And again, allow the rest of the price of this $28 to be fulfilled somewhere in the shipping. Again, just got to be strategic in what you believe works for you in your area of your product. But again, we see this being done here, a high listing price, about $23 and some change. And again, a shipping fee around $5. Still a best-selling product, still getting tons of sales. And again, we are definitely increasing our total profit margin to $9.58. Now, again, we have to take this into account because the $16.10 is what we're being charged for the product that is actually combined with the basic standard price, which is $7.31, and of course the shipping price, which is $8.79. However, if we take into account Printify Premium, where we're able to get this product for $5.63, we can see that there is a large amount of change being done in our overall profit. So instead of our cost for our product being $16.10, our total cost for our product, again, for the cost of the product and being shipped out to our customer, is $14.42. So again, here it is. Before we change it, it was $9.58 with a 33% profit margin, but now we're utilizing Printify Premium cost for our product. We see here that we earn $11.26, allowing our profit margins to be 39%. Again, in the long run, utilizing Printify Premium version, I believe, is a good investment for your business, because when you're selling mugs over and over again, when you're selling t-shirts over and over again, hundreds, thousands of different products, again, all those $2 savings and $3 savings will increase with time. And again, you're able to earn more in the long run when you're able to price your products the proper way. And if we do want to say, hey, I want to not keep enough profit, but actually be more competitive to get more products sold, then we can sell our products for $2, $3 cheaper, still holding a great quality product. But because we do have that Printify premium version and that cost is special to us, again, we can be more competitive if we want to in regards to our pricing. But again, here, profit margin for this particular product here, again, not counting in any Etsy ads if we're going to utilize that, but just looking at the profit just in general, $11.26 is not bad. Definitely having a profit margin about 39% is really good and give us flexibility if we do want to try out ads for our shop. So as you can see here, I think there's a lot of opportunity to be learned in regards to the question, can I make profit selling print-on-demand products? And obviously the answer is yes, but there are so many opportunities you have, definitely when you get into a program like Printify Premium, where you're able to save a little bit more in the long run. Now, again, they were so kind to give my audience a discount code. If you want to try this out and to see if it's best for your print-on-demand business, you can get 30 days absolutely for free utilizing this premium version with Printify. But again, if you just want to get started for free and utilize just the free version, then you can jump on their free version. And again, you can start making some money today with having Printify do all that hard work for you, like printing and shipping out your product. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to talk about how to actually set up a print-on-demand business. However, if you want to learn that next step, then click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make passive income online, then make sure you subscribe to my channel here. So always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.